Assalamualaikum students. Here is your next lecture of Know Your Computer, that is your chapter number 1. I am going to define you categorization of software. These are software found: number 1, system software, application software and utility software. Let's have the understanding that what is the software basically has been divided. Software has got two types. Number 1 is the system software. Number 2, application software. Students, these are basically two main types of software. In system software, we have studied operating system, programming software and utility software. This is your book. Here I am going to explain page number 11, that what is the system software. A system software is a program that manages and supports the computer resources and operations, while it executes various tasks such as processing of data and information, controlling the hardware components and allowing users to use the application software. In other words, system software is a bridge between computer system hardware and the application software. Operating system is an example of the system software. System software controls the internal components operations. It can be further classified into 4 categories. Here, the first category is operating system. Let's have the understanding that what is an operating system. An operating system is a software which acts as an interface between the user and the computer. That is all computer resources. It's the important component that controls all other components of the computer system. Without an operating system, a computer is of no use. Some of the commonly used operating system that we use in our daily life, that is the Windows, DOS, Unix. Now let's have the understanding of compilers. It's a language translator that transfers the high level language program into machine language. It covers the entire program in one go and reports all the errors of the program along with their line number at the end. For example, C language is a compiler. The translated program is called the object-oriented program or the object code. The second is interpreter, that's also we call the language translator. This language processor converts high level language program into machine language by converting and executing it line by line. If there is any error in any line, the interpreter reports it immediately and program execution cannot resume until it is rectified. However, it's a smaller program than a compiler. For example, BASIC has an interpreter as a translator. Number 3 is assembler. It's a language translator that converts a program written in assembly language into machine language. So let's come to the application softwares. What is application softwares? Application software is a set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified applications. These are the programs written by programmers to enable the computers to perform Here is example of the system software. This is the pictures of some icons. It indicates the system software. There is, for example, for the smartphone, you use Apple's operating systems, Google's Android, Windows Phone operating systems. And for the laptops and the desktops and the tablets, we use Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac and Apple devices, Ubuntu. Let's have the understanding what is the application software. Application softwares in which we have got more than 10. Here I am going to introduce you shortly some application, most popular application software: Opera web browser, Microsoft word processing, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet software, MySQL database software, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software, iTunes music and sound softwares, VLC media player audio video softwares, World of Warcraft game softwares and Adobe Photoshop graphic softwares. Students, here are some pictures that we commonly use in our system as application softwares. So these are pictures of icons. These are all known as the application software. Now let's have the understanding of utility software. Application softwares: word processing, presentation tool, spreadsheets and database management system. Business softwares, I have given some examples: word processing, MS Word; presentation tool, MS PowerPoint; spreadsheet package, MS Excel, Lotus 1 to 3; database management software, MS Access, Sybase; business software, inventory management, payroll system, financial accounting, hotel management. Utility softwares. Utility softwares are those application programs that assist a computer by performing housekeeping, functions like backing up disk or scanning, cleaning viruses or arranging information. They ensure the smooth functioning of a computer. Some important utilities are text editor, used for creating and editing text files; backup utilities that facilitates the backing up of disk; comparison utilities that facilitates comparison of files; disk defragmentation utilities that attempts to minimize the fragmentation on the disk; and antivirus software that ensures a virus-free environment. Students, these are the pictures of utility programs. Utility software helps maintain or configure a computer. Many of these are installed at the same time as OS, operating system. OS stands for operating system, but they can also be added afterwards. Some examples are disk fragmentation, software updates, system cleanup, encryption and decryption, and antivirus softwares. So here we have got the understanding and the end of our chapter, Know Your Computer. Thank you.